You are going to love the 2017 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.